cash out there.
Hello, everyone. We got 1,000 tier max for Stu. That's two. Stu and Shelly. Who should I push next? Today's map will be perfect for maybe Melody, Serge, Leon. I don't know. I think I can push somebody. Not BB today, though. BB, the short range close brawler, is suitable for certain solo maps. But today, it seems like it's like positional, I guess, camping spots. Basically, you're designated to where you start, preferably the bottom left, and then you want to stay there and not move around too much. And when enemies come, you want to kick them out. Don't let them close. Don't let them get too close to your area. And so sometimes you got to do mid, go to the middle, and I think I'll wait for a different map for BB. But hey, 5 in a row for Stu. I did it. You can see, just keep winning. And it was quite difficult after 900, but you can do it. Anybody can do it, actually. I suggest you play solo, guys, and play safe. Team if you have to. And again, depending on the map, choose wisely. That's all I got for now. Hope you have a blessed day.